So, good day sir. My name is Caltransfer Mariano from BSIT 30. So, for today's video sir, so mag-demonstrate po ako ng VLAN network diagram with trunk port using Cisco Packet Tracer. So, next is open natin yung Cisco. So, maglalagay tayo ng switch. So, maglalagay tayo ng switch 1 and switch number 2. So, rename lang natin ng S1 and S2. So, next is bawat switch is may tatlong VLAN. So, sa VLAN number 1 naman sa switch 1, so maglagay tayo ng isang PC and tatlong laptop. So, yan. So, ayusin lang. So, yan. So, ang lalagay natin dito is VLAN 10, which is HM. So, circle. So, next is VLAN number 2. So, sa VLAN number 2 naman is maglalagay tayo ng 7 laptop. One, two, so dito. So, maglalagay tayo dito ng VLAN 20, which is CIT. So, next. So, lagyan natin ng circle. So, yan. So, next naman is VLAN 3. So, sa VLAN 3 naman is maglalagay tayo ng 6 for switch number 1. So, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, ayusin lang natin. So, dito naman is maglalagay tayo ng VLAN 30, which is Kaba. VLAN 30 Kaba. So, next. So, maglalagay tayo ng circle. ayusin lang natin yung circle. So, yan. Pwede na siguro. So, next naman is dito tayo sa switch number 2. So, sa switch number 2 naman is maglalagay tayo ng VLAN number 1 niya ng 5 laptop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yan. So, rename, tapos lagyan natin ng name ng VLAN 10, which is HM. So, circle. So, next naman is VLAN number 2, which is 8 na laptop. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dito, ayusin lang natin. So, maglalagay ulit tayo dito ng VLAN 20, which is VLAN 20 CIT. So, circle. And next is 4 laptop per kaba. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito. So, maglalagay tayo dito ng VLAN 30, which is kaba. So, next, lalagyan natin ng circle. So, next is, i-rename natin itong mga name ng PC1 to PC number 34. So, next. So, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, PC6, PC7, PC8, PC9, PC10, and PC10, 11. So, next is dito. So, PC12, PC13, PC13, 14, PC15, PC PC 17. So next, PC 18, PC 18, 19, PC 18, 20, PC 21, and PC 22. So next, PC 21, 23, PC 24, PC 25, PC 26, PC 27, and PC 28, PC 29, PC 30. So next is PC 31, PC 32, PC 33, so PC 34. So namali lang po ako ng type, sir. PC 34. So, yun sir, na-rename ko na po ng PC1 to PC34. So, next naman is lalagyan natin ng connection ng bawat PC sa switch number 1. So, ito. So ang VLAN 10 is yung fast internet niya is nag-range siya ng 1 to 6. So, yan. Fast internet 6. Fast internet 2. So, hanggang 6 yan, sir, yung VLAN number 10. So, 3. So, next naman is VLAN 20 CIT. So, nag-range siya ng 7 to 15. So, fast internet 7. Fast internet 8. Fast internet 9. Fast internet 10. So 11. 12. So, next naman is a VLAN 30 Kaba. So, nagre-range siya ng 16 to 21. So, next. 16 to 21. So, pass internet 16. 17. So, nalagyan na natin ng connection tong switch number 2, ay switch 1. So, dito naman tayo sa switch 2. So, next sa kaba is, ay sa HM is magre-range siya ng 1 to 6. Dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, next naman is dito tayo sa VLAN 20, which is nagre-range siya ng 7 to 15. So, yun. So, mag-umpisa tayo sa 7. So, yun. Tapos na tayo dito naglagay ng... Ay, hindi pa pala. So, nakakalimutan ko. Dito. So, 15. Nalagyan natin. So, next is dito tayo sa VLAN 3, which is Kaba. So, 31. So, nagre-range siya ng 16 to 21. So, 16. 17, 18, and 19. So, yun. Sir, so, nalagyan na natin ng bawat connection ng lahat ng VLAN for itong VLAN 10, 20, and 30. Nalagyan na natin ng connection dito sa VLAN 1, ay switch 1. Tapos dito naman sa switch 2 is nalagyan na rin. So, yun. So, next is maglalagay tayo ng IP config. So, dito. So, unahin natin yung VLAN 1. So, VLAN 1. So, desktop, IP config, and 0.0.1.1. So, enter. So, mag-automatic po sir na lalabas yung subnet mask. Next is PC 2. Then, .0.1.2. So, yan. So, desktop, IP config, and then 0.0.1.3. Next. Then, .0.1.4. Enter. And next naman is dito tayo sa CIT. So config 172.16.0.1. So yun. Next. Stop. So 172.16.0.2. Enter. Next. Stop. So next is 172.16.0.3. Next. Desktop config and IP address 172.16.0.4. Next. Desktop 172.16.0.5. Enter. So next. Desktop IP config and IP address. So 172.16.0.6. So next. Desktop and 172.16.0.7. So enter. So yun. So nakalimutan kong nilagyan to, sir. So lalagyan muna natin ng connection. So hanggang 21. So ang lalagay natin is fast internet 22. So yan. Connect 22. So yan. So next is dito tayo sa PC ay sa VLAN 30, which is so sa Kaba. So desktop IP config and 192.168.2.1. So magka-automatic pong lalabas yung subnet mask. And next sa IP config. So yun na, tapos na tayo sa dito. So dito na tayo. Desktop IP config and 3 and 192.168.2.4. so enter and next. Wait lang, sir. 1. So malis 2. So 2 pala yan, sir. Tapos 3 to. 3. So dito tayo. Desktop IP tapos 4. Tapos 192.168.2.4. So enter. So next. Desktop IP config and 192.168.2.5. so enter. So next ito desktop IP config 192.168.2.6. So enter. So yon. So nalagyan natin ng IP address itong switch number 1. So titingnan. So next is dito tayo sa switch number 2. So sa switch number 2 naman is dito tayo sa dito. So desktop IP config and 10.0.0.1.5. so enter. Next desktop 10.0.0.1.6. so enter. Next desktop 10.0.1.7. So enter, desktop. Then 0.0.1.8. So enter, and next, desktop IP address. Then 0.0.1.9. So yon, nalagyan na natin ng IP address tong VLAN 10HM. So dito naman tayo sa CIT. So dito tayo, so desktop IP config and 172.16.0.8. so next, desktop IP config and 172.16.0.9. so enter, and next, then 172.16.0.10. so enter, then dito 172.16.0.11. so enter, next, dito desktop IP 172.16.0.12. so 12, 13, 14, 15. so dito desktop IP config, so 172.16.0.13. so enter, next, dito desktop config 172.16.0.14. so enter, so next, desktop 172.16.0.15. so enter, so nalagyan na din natin tong IP address tong VLAN 20 CIT. So next and last, so dito tayo sa Kava. So sa Kava naman is we have 4 laptops. So to next, desktop IP config 192.168.2.7. so enter, so next, desktop config 192.168.2.8. so enter, so nag-automatic na pong lalabas yung subnet mask. So next is dito, so IP address 192.168.2.9. so enter, so last, so desktop, so IP config, IP address 192.168.2.10. so enter, so yan. So next naman is dito na tayo sa switch. So pipindutin natin yung switch and pipindutin natin tong CLI. So yan, enter, enable, configure secret class and enter. Wait lang. Ay no pala, configure your terminal. So sorry for that. So terminal. So next is enable secret class. So next is banner, MOTD plus number sign, plus unauthorized, strictly so ito and enter. So next is no IP domain look up. So enter. Wait lang. No IP domain look up. So enter. So line console line console share. So password Cisco. So enter. Tapos hostname S1. So enter. So yon lumabas dito. So next is VLAN 10. Enter. Name HM. VLAN 20. Enter. Name 20. Name CIT. Tapos enter. VLAN 30. Enter. Name Kaba. VLAN 80. Enter. Name native. So and tapos exit, tapos show VLAN brief. So ayan. So lumabas. So lalagyan din natin ng ports yung HM. So next sa HM. So enable password, configure terminal. So next is interface range to FA to 0, 1, 2, 6. So tama. So next, switch port access VLAN 10. Switch. So enter. Wait lang. So wrong spelling po yung switch ko. Switch port access VLAN 10. Switch port access VLAN 10. So enter. So next is switch mode access. So and exit show VLAN brief. So yon lumabas yung ports ng HM. So next naman sa CIT. So enable password, configure terminal. So next is interface range FA07 to 15. Interface range. So next is switch port, access VLAN 20. Switch port mode access, and next and exit, show VLAN brief. So yun, lumabas din sa CIT. So next naman is sa Kaba. So sa Kaba naman is ganun din lang, enable password class config your terminal, and internet interface range to FA16 to 21. So FA range, that's yan. Next is switch port access VLAN 30. So switch port mode access. So and exit, enter, show VLAN brief. So yon, lumabas din. So next naman tayo sa switch number 2. So sa switch number 2, sir, is parang same din lang sila sa switch number. So punta tayo sa CLJ. So enter, switch, so enable, switch, configure terminal. Next is enable secret class. So enter. So next is banner MOTD, number sign, authorized strictly so enter. So next is no IP domain lookup. So line console 0. So next is password Cisco. Next, host name S1. So napalitan, sir. So next is VLAN 10 name HM. So enter. VLAN 20 name CIT. So enter. VLAN 30 enter name Kaba enter VLAN 80, enter name native, and exit the show VLAN brief. So yan, so lumabas. So next naman is lalagyan natin ng ports yung HM, CIT, and CAPA. So enable password plus configure terminal plus interface range FA 0.126 switch board access VLAN 10. So switch board mode access. So and exit enter to show VLAN brief. So lumabas yung HM. So next naman is sa CIT. Enable password configure terminal. So interface range RAO/126. Ay no. Dito na pala set tayo sa CIT. So CIT is 7 to 15. 7 to 15. So next 7 to 15. So next switch access VLAN 20. So switch port. Ay, sorry sir, nakalimutan ko pong maglagay ng port dito. Mode access and exit enter show VLAN brief. So lumabas din. So and lastly sa CAPA. So enable password interface range FA 16 to 21. 16 to 21. So next interface range FA01 to 16 to 21. So 16 to 21. Ay, wait, mali. So, sorry sir, may nakalimutan po pala. Configure terminal. So, enter. So, pasensya na po sir. So, range FA 0 slash 16 to 21. So, switch board access VLAN 30. So, next, switch mode access. So, and exit to show VLAN brief. So, yun sir, lumabas. So, next naman is stimulation na tayo. So, next is ito. PC1 to PC19. So, hanapin natin dito yung PC19. So, next is PC6 and PC24. 24. So, ito. So, next, 20. PC20. So, PC20 to 4. Next, 31 to 12. And 28 to 11. So, try natin. So, yes. So, successful na lahat, sir. So, next is i-save na natin to. Save. So, ilalagay natin dito is network diagram. So, save. So, that's all, sir. Thank you.